Now we're going to head on to Metasploitable 2 and see what kind of exploits we could use, see what exploits we can find, see what kind of vulnerabilities we can exploit, and see if we can get system or root level access against the machine. So I ran this in-map scan against our target, and we got a pretty detailed output over here. So I'll go ahead and open up a new tab if I can get to it. Let's zoom in a little bit. So we see that we have port 21, FTP, and then we have this version of FTP. Let's see if there's an exploit associated with this. We'll look up on Searchsploit. We see there's a backdoor command execution and then backdoor command execution via Metasploit. So we know we can easily exploit this via Metasploit. And we'll go ahead and open up msfconsole. So let's start that up. And then we'll search for this specific version. We see there is a backdoor. So this is a backdoor command execution. Let's go ahead and use 0, show options. We can use the default payload option that was set for us. That's cool. And then we can set our host to our Metasploitable machine. Everything looks good here. Let's go ahead and run it. So there's the banner. Please specify the password. Backdoor service has been spawned. UID equals 0 root. Found shell, command shell, session 1 opened. Let's go ahead and see who we are. Who am I? Looks like we are root. So looks like we have full level access, root level privilege on this machine. Now let's see if we can get a more stable shell. Let's go ahead and look at a tool called Hack Tools. So Hack Tools is a popular web extension, or is becoming more popular for more web app pen testing, but it has a cheat sheet option and things like that that can help you. So let's go ahead and add it and hit OK. Let's go to not bookmarks. Go over here. Let's go ahead and pin this to toolbar. It has this little Fedora looking hat thing. So Fedora, let's go to TTY spawn shell. Let's see if we get a more interactive shell. So now we have a proper looking shell, root at Metasploitable. Who am I? Root ls. So it looks like we have full root level access. So let's do cat sc shadow. Now we can see all the hashes on this machine for the root user, klog msf admin, and that is the first exploit on this machine.